Oh, Anik, very good morning. So, from today onwards, still we are going to discuss this chapter from the geography part. The chapter name is map. So, previous chapter we've already discussed, and I already taught you the motion of Earth. The motion of Earth for for your remembering and revision. I just want to revise once again. Motion of Earth, types of the motion of Earth. What is meant by motion of Earth? Motion of Earth, it has two types, rotation and revolution. After that, what we discuss, meaning of rotation, revolution. After that, circle of elimination. Then equinox, winter solstice and summer solstice, and leap year. These all are we already discussed and already taught you in the previous chapter. Now second chapter we are going to I'm going to teach and I'm going to deal with this chapter. So maps, you can see the map. So this is the map, right? You can see this is the plan actually this is the map. It is called the map. You can see this it's all these are the 7 continent. You see Asia is the biggest. You can see it's a piece of paper you draw on the map. Okay, it's called, it has a components. You can see distance, direction, sketch, all this including in this map. Plan, sketch, all everything's in this map. Also this is called specific thematic map. It has 3 types. It is a thematic map. It shows particular and specific information. You can see that 7 continents and oceans. You can see the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Australia. Then you can see the South Antarctica and Southern Ocean. You can see that Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Then you can see the 7 continent. Asia is largest. Then Europe. Then Africa. And South American and North American. All Australia. All this continent. You can see the island also. So you can see here the Indian state, and this is political map, right? State and union territory. You can see this is Nepal, the border political map. Is the territory and border divided. And you can see Uttarakhand, the 28th state. You can see Ladakh and Srinagar. Yeah, now recently this is the one new recently state is one more state, 29th state, including Ladakh. Recently, it's become a new state. So Ladakh, see Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, then Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, then Telangana, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. All these called state. Then you can see symbols here, right? Okay, now next. See, this is globe, right? You can see the globe. This is called spherical shape. This is called globe. Then you can see. If you want to check, this is you want to see the place, you want to find the place, you can see this equator, right? Equator is always a 0 degree. Okay, as it's a north means you can pointing, this is north, here is south. If you want to see, Africa is located 23 between 0 to 23.5 degree north. You have to see here Africa 0 degree to 23.5. You can easily find out this yellow part is Africa, right? Then you want to see the you want to see that Australia, right? This is Australia, red color. This is south. It is located 0 degree to 23.5. It is below the south. You have to search here. The red part is. Then you have to see from equator part, above is north, below is south. Okay, you can easily define globe. This is called globe. Globe is a spherical shape. Okay, see next. Now here map content of this chapter. I'm going to teach only 3 content from this chapter called map. First, introduction of topic. Second is types of map, and third, 3 actually it's 5 components are there. I will try to mention all the components. The 3 major components of map. Introduction of map. Okay, now next. Okay, see here the map. You can see this is the map, right? This is India map, right? You can see here the map. First, it is the representation or a drawing of the Earth's surface or the part of its drawn on the flat surface according to a scale. Second, a globe can be useful when we want to study the Earth as a whole. Third, a map is a representation or the drawing of the Earth's surface or a part of drawn or flat surface according to scale. Fourth, when many maps are put together, we get in atlas. Okay, atlas. Now, I will translate in Tibetan language for better understanding. The map lana sata lagora, so ane sata lana khande lagosana sata di nganzu representation series. Ani di nganzu shugu jigang tigores. Ta di nganzu penetration representation lana nganzu kita ti chungu yo bayelo. The condition Earth surface, the the flat surface scale can teach a globe land we want to study each zamling such a curry change to globe level to be bold the zamling tumsu gives to a one delay globe ding at zamling dina such as how much to your Lela which in its head to go the globe level. At last, and I'm going to Sataya Rimbush to a chart can Rimbush to a word at last, okay. A map is a representation drawn Earth's surface, a part of the surface according to scale. The Chichigan Kiragdichi Tishra, repeating chip on the map like the representation series. The Karatsu on the Zamling the Chumbachuris, scale can chicken to Matchum. A mem on which name to Dombena di Karichak at last Chavoris, okay. On the separate Rimbush to a chart Rimbush to the Wodigane at last. But separate Digana and Java separate to the and something separate Digana Java separate into Wodigana at last. Membush named the Tombin or the at last. Okay, next. Okay, the types of the map, the Lela Shirayo, the physical map, political map, thematic map. The physical map run a political map run a thematic map. Yes, physical and sweep to political and around the chopstick down. Thematic and specific information such a chick information specific information to you so that chick on the thematic map okay this is the types of map jump in the types of map okay the physical first the physical map natural feature of Earth zamling the features that is such a penetrating example state like the Earth memche yagi started to chip in the physical features of the stone of the scale chain and somewhat used to all the natural tissue the physical feature map the India the physical features. Political map shows difference boundary, difference country and state. The state in a boundary in it, what do the lower your opinion on the twins to the state lower the boundary twins to what the political map of the okay. Then next, any thematic map like the thematic map the focus on specific information. Chichu was such a chick on it, the penetration to Rajaji National Park. Rajaji National Park information to study the Kardolage, the Kardolage, the railway to the land to you. And then is the social the setting of the settlement, the Tonsi, the Tonsi, you. And the Nashing road to get that is some Rajaji National Park information. Started digging to step the Rajaji National Park in the Covenant. Odilaya, hello, thematic map of the next, the three components of map. Actually, that components sumche and Gila Tubaniti share, sketch the plan. Tambudiri components like Mudiyachi distance direction, sample, sketch, plan. I think the Kichi the memory components and Chashela. 사실 가려서 맵차 상무지 주고는 딜러 가려 디스턴스 고래 디렉션 등의 샘플 직제 당 스케치 플랜 모두 기침 모르겠어. Next. Okay, the distance to Chashabana. Let's see here. Now the distance level to Stabana, Tanga Gorama field of the day you the nature and general store of the centimeter centimeter kilometer 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 she not to doing gay or Chiglia 4 is equal to 1 is equal to 7 centimeter kilometer in the general store but the book shop the Anashi police station but the post office but the distance you made or the tarring or the distance. Okay. Then after that, distance. Okay, that distance level. The first, the scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and distance shown on the map. Second, if you know the scale, you will able to calculate distance between the two places on the map. Third, when the large area like continent or the countries are to be shown on the papers, then we will use a small scale map. Example, 5 cm on the map shows represent 5 km. Then 4, when small area like village, town and cities are shown on the paper, they use large scale map. Example, 5 cm map is 500 meter. Now the distance line further remove on the scale learning as you get teaching lower, teaching the around the take your teaching the native map the distance distance look at it to maps TV in the native kilometer centimeter kilometer shaggy maps TV in the Krangi. Doctor in the surrounding maps TV map delay and curriculum scale scale actual distance the distance canedo how to diet kitchen bra. If you know the scale key that fix it how coven distance such a new parolia mapping and lela which in a when the large area like continent on the continent and the link chain layer Asia the country the some chimbura people gonna teach you with a small scale level expenditure 5 cm shows 500 kilometer. That's 1 centimeter kilometer 100 kilometer and 5 centimeter 2 centimeter 200 3 centimeter 300. And then you got 500 centimeter 5 centimeter 500 kilometer small scale map the word is when the small area village the town the city the paper the choose to the last scale map the word Spanish 5 centimeter to show meter 500 meter to the meters 5 centimeter meter 100 meter. Two delay 2 centimeter 200 meter in a 5 centimeter to 500 centimeter meter chagora. The small scale sorry large scale chagore the small scale or the distance check.